Here's a text related problem in Davinci Resolve version 17. If I move this text down here, it's visible, and if I move it up there, it's not visible. So let's see what is cutting this text off. Okay, to find that out, let's just click on this one, which is called transform, and that reveals us a selection. And what is inside this selection, it's visible, and if the text is up there, the text is not visible. Okay, so to reset the position of the selection up there to the sides, come here to the inspector, click on the video tab, settings button, and you can open and close these by clicking on them. At transform we have position, and neither the X nor the Y it's on 0, and if you move it, it can be corrected, but let's just use this one at the end of the line here at position, and that one will reset it back to the sides. Now you cannot move the text itself directly because it's moving that selection also, so let's just undo it with Ctrl Z, but instead first click on this transform thing. Now it's deselecting it, and now you can move the text. If you don't want this snapping feature, it's always sticking to something, then simply hold down the Alt key and then it's moving freely everywhere. And now nothing is cutting that text off.